Hey everyone, today I am really excited to show you something that we have been working on. Our very own educational AI powered app called Zaira AI. This app is built specially for CBSE students of class 9 to 12. It helps you to clear your doubts, summarize your notes, and even analyze your written answers. Let's just check in and see how it works. Over the screen, Radha will explain.
Welcome to the Zaira AI app. You can see the clean, simple interface built in Power Apps with all features powered by our custom AI prompt, AI Reply through Power Automate. The first feature is Doubt Solver. Let's start with the doubt solver. Here's a sample physics question. Let me just copy and paste it in the doubt section. So, the question is, why does a moving ball eventually stops even if no one touches it? Explaining using law of motion. Now it usually takes about 10 seconds to process while it's loading. Zaira AI analyzing the question and creating a clear CBSE style answer. And here we go. It explains that the ball stops because of friction and air resistance and links it to Newton's first law of motion. So the app doesn't just answer, it helps you understand why. The second feature is text summarizer. Next up, we have the text summarizer. This helps students quickly revise long notes. Now let me just copy paste it in the text input. Now it's again loading for a few seconds. During this time, AI is scanning the text and picking out the main ideas. And there it is. The summary says photosynthesis is the process where plant makes using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water releasing oxygen. It's short, clear, and perfect for a quick revision. Now the third feature is answer analyzer. Finally, let's take the final answer analyzer. This one is special. It gives you score out of 10 and helpful feedback. Let me just paste any answer so it will analyze it and give me the better option for that. Now as you can see, it's taking a few seconds to process and here comes the result. The answer analyzer gives this answer 7 out of 10, suggests adding the chemical equation for better marks. It's a bit strict, but that's the point. There's always room for improve.
That was awesome. You just saw how Zaira AI can help students study smarter. It can answer doubts, summarize notes, and even check your answers. Of course, this is just a start, and we are planning to make it faster, add more subjects, and include visuals in the future. Special thanks to Aradhya for the amazing voiceover and explanation. We hope you liked our demo. Thank you for watching and welcome to the future of learning with Zaira AI.